Hey y'all, thanks for coming in and spending the day with Daphne. How you guys doing today? I'm doing fine, fine, fine. Thank you very much. Xander, Siley, and Savin, Granny and Papa loves you. Yeah, I had a taste for me a juicy T-bone steak. Let me see if I can get y'all a little thumbnail. Ooh, I hope my salad don't fall, honey. Okay. Hey y'all, it looked big, but this is a small one compared to the one my husband had. I didn't even think he was gonna finish it, and he did. I got some Italian dressing. Ooh, I'm hungry, hungry, hungry. It ain't gonna be much talking. Not much talking. Hold on, y'all. All right, I'm back. Let's get it in. I got some steak sauce, but I usually don't use steak sauce. Do y'all like steak sauce? This is some generic. Look, I ain't thinking about name brands. Mama finna hold on to her coins. This is that great value, and it tastes just as good. Let me just put a little bit on the side right there. Just a little bit. Hope y'all had a good day today. Ooh, let's see. Mm. This sucker was huge. That's why I like to get all my steaks from Sam's Club. And it's so tender. Got my little salad. The one hubby had was twice this size. At first, I thought I was cooking too much. I said maybe me and him could eat that one big one. Then I said, no, he'll be able to take that down. First bite, I wanted it a little more like a medium well. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Like butter, baby. Yeah, I get my steaks from Sam's Club. They have really good cuts of meat. And y'all know them stores like that where you buy in bulk, everything is big, even they steaks. Oh, this is good. Mm, mm. Yeah, I put my green peppers in there this time. Mm. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's so good, y'all. Mm. Mm. I don't see my bone. Where's my tea at? Mm. 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 So good. So good. I know my husband is that knocked out. He just came home and he said he had a rough, busy day. He got to get up at 2 in the morning. Mhm. So I know he in there knocked out. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, that shast to be hitting. Get that burn, baby. I know I always say that because I told y'all they don't make pop like they used to. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, it's thick. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, we just got through watching this movie on Tubi called A Deadly Ride, and that was the craziest thing I ever seen. Mm, 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 mm. The rideshare guy, he picked up a ride. Some woman, and she was all distraught because she called her boyfriend cheating. So she just wanted to go home and get drunk. Mm, I don't like that fact. She just wanted to go home and get drunk. So she said, "Can you stop at this liquor store?" Mm, 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 mm. So he stopped at the store. She got her a bottle of wine, and she was drinking it straight out the bottle. She said, "You want some?" And he was like, "Yup." So they poured over, got a couple of swigs. Mm, 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 mm. Then we were driving, taking her home, and had an accident. He ran over somebody, and then he stopped, and they was like in the woods. It was like a park. This man was jogging through the woods, and he hit him. He stopped the car, and he wasn't gonna get out. She got out to go check on him. He was mad at her. He was like, "Why you get out? Don't get out! Don't get out!" Mm. He wanted to see if he was okay. Mm, 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 mm. So he panicked and then ran her over. I swear it was one crazy event after another. Ooh, this movie is crazy. Mm, mm, mm. I'm gonna make her so bad. She survived, and so did the guy that he hit. So they went hiding, looking for some place to mend their wounds. Mm. And the whole time, the driver was stalking them because he wanted to end them. He didn't want to leave no witnesses. And my son get man, why you doing all that? It was an accident. That's why they call them accidents. I'm trying to find where this bone at. But he was already going through stuff with his ex. He had sent her a text. His ex, he got a little son. And he said, "Can I take him to school tomorrow?" And she responded, "You could take him to school when you pay me my back child support." I was like, that is so sad. That is really sad. So he was trying to get his money up so he could see his son. Another thing he would do, they were showing all his rides, all his fares, and how he was, listening to their conversations and everything. So he knew the ones that was getting picked up going to the airport, being out of, wasn't gonna be home, and then he would break in the house. Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't eat that fat. Mm. I know some people love that gristle, and I got it rendered down real good. I just can't do it. It's too gelatinous. I can't do it. Mm-mm. Oh, that was a nice little piece. I thought I was gonna have some left over for me a steak and egg in the morning. There ain't gonna be nothing left. Mm-mm. Oh, oh, that's good. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo will be over with when this video come out. So happy Cinco de Mayo. Mm. Speaking of Cinco de Mayo, I think it's really sad that folks can go celebrate like they used to with the parades and the bar crawls and stuff like that, because they don't want to get taken. Basically, they don't want to go to El Salvador. ICE come and snatch you up out the restaurant. It's just really sad. Mm. Now they taking Haitians. Mm, mm, mm. And he said all U.S. citizens can go too. I'm like, who we? I said maybe I ought to put my wig on so I don't be walking around with these locks and they think I'm a Haitian walking around. It ain't funny, but I'm serious. Hmm. I am so serious. Laugh to keep from crying. Oh, excuse me. I ain't had a steak in a long time. Seemed like it. I know it ain't been that long, but it's long overdue. It's been at least 5, 6 months. Mm, 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 mm. I'm trying to think when was that me and my husband went to Texas Roadhouse. I don't remember. It wasn't that long ago. I know I made a video when we was in there. That was a good steak. So good. I like it when they flame broil it. It's a real char. I was trying to get a char on mine. I did. Yeah, pretty good. And then I finished it off in the oven just to let it rest. Now I know you can't let it sit there. I should have just let it sit outside because it was gonna finish cooking anyway. Not outside, but on top of the stove, so it wouldn't got so done. I like to see a little nice little strip of pink. I don't have that. Ooh, that's a little light skin, but not like how I want it. Mm. I got a tomahawk in there. If it'd be nice for Father's Day, I'm gonna throw that on the grill outside. Mm. Mm. Yep, that's all I need is two of these. I'm glad they come in these little cans. You need all that pop. Oh, that's what be getting me full. Drinking. Mm. This steak is so good, y'all. It's so tender. Mm, 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 mm. Get that fat off of there. Mhm. I don't know what was wrong with me yesterday. I kept getting dizzy. I was like, what is wrong with me? I had to go lay down. I was real lightheaded. Mm-hmm. I said, it's my pressure up? Because I didn't eat. Me and my daughter went to the show. Mm. And we went to the 3 o'clock show. And I hadn't had anything to eat since about 8 or 9 in the morning. And then the movie was over 2 hours, 2 hours and 17 minutes long. So I was a little woozy. She said she was too. When we was in that Uber. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And I don't want to say, but I think my Uber driver was high. But she was talking so like she was asleep. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Okay, where we going? And her hands was puffed up like, oh, they was fat and swollen. Both of them, ooh, they was so big and fat and puffy. And she was a little lady. And I'm just like, what is going on with her? That lady was high. And I said, I hope she wasn't doing nothing in that car and we inhaled something because I was so dizzy. I was real dizzy. I thought I was going to pass out. It was like scary dizzy. When I got home, oh, excuse me, sure was. I was real dizzy. I was trying to play it off. And I was fanning myself. It was just, I don't know what it was. But my daughter said she was dizzy too. Yeah, that was that scary kind of dizzy where you think you finna fall out. You could just feel that you about to faint. Hmm. But like the old folks say, that lady was high as a Georgia pine. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. You don't know who you getting in the car with. And then after me watching that doggone movie I just watched, what was it called? A Deadly Ride. Y'all look that up. It's on Tubi. And it ain't no low budget movie. It's very well made. You can tell they had a nice budget. Very good, well made movie. A Deadly Ride. I said he is doing entirely too much. Doing too much. How much meat I got on here? I think I had enough. I don't want to make myself sick. Mm. Try to see if I can finish this salad. Mm. I still had salad left over. I think it's enough for one more serving. So I had it for my lunch tomorrow with the rest of this steak. Hmm. Or maybe I had this steak for breakfast and had a salad for lunch. Oh, my belly, y'all. Mm. Mm-hmm. I hope y'all had a nice Cinco de Mayo day with all the festivities. Mm. The itis is kicking in right now. Hmm. Mm. It looks beautiful outside. I haven't been out all day. Mm. It's nice and sunny. Yesterday it was cloudy, dreary, wet, and freezing. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That was good, y'all. Oh, my belly full. That was really, really good. Mm. 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 Clean Plate Club. Yep. Got that bone right there. Okay. That'll be a nice little piece of meat for tomorrow. I gotta get my hair done. I book online with Style Seat with her, and she don't have nothing for this month. Well, for the next couple of weeks. I think the only appointment she got for May was on the 28th. I knew I said something told me to make my appointment. It ain't like I'm trying to get it done for Mother's Day because we probably ain't going nowhere. I don't never go nowhere. Cause it be too crowded in them restaurants. Mm, mm, mm. I hate when that lettuce wet and get stuck. They be sliding on your teeth. Mm, mm. That was really good. Ooh, excuse me. I'm packed, y'all. I'm packed. Ooh. All right, y'all. Thank you for coming in and spending the day with Daphne. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Xander, Silent, Saving, Granny and Papa loves you. Good night, everybody.